Hi class, today we will do stock control or inventories. To start, first we have to check that this is called a Kardex. A Kardex has three sections: purchase, sales, and stock. And each column has date, units, price, and total, as you can see here. Okay, let's start with the first one section. It says July the 1st, so we'll write July 1st. It says here that the stock was 500 units, so here we write 500, and the price was 178. So here we do a formula which is called units times price. Okay, so this is how much money we have in total in stock, and it says how many units we have: 500 units. Okay, so let's see what happened next date. It says the 3rd of July. There was a purchase. This column is for purchase and this column is for sales. So it says 250 units, and the price is 182. So again, with a simple formula here, we just multiply units times price. Okay, since we have a new stock here, what we gotta do is we gotta add it up here to the final stock. And as you can see, we have different price. For example, previously we had the price of 178, and on the 3rd of July the price went to 182. So I cannot mix them. I cannot do that because they have different prices. Why? Because when we sell, we have to sell from the first stock, because the method says FIFO, first in is the first out. So what we do is we just copy this, okay, and put it right here. Okay, but we just can't mix them. Okay, so here this is one color. Okay, let me see. Let's use this color, and here let's use another color so we can distinguish them. Let's see what happened the 5th of July. The 5th of July. It says sales 48. So we sell 48. Okay, the price is 218. But check this out. When we sell, we never write the price at which we sell, because we are just taking care of this inventory. So if we have two different stocks and the method says first in, first out, we have to start selling from the first stock. So the price is 178. Okay, so we just multiply, and we will see that we get 8,544. So what we gotta do is this. In the past, we had 500 units from the stock of 178 minus 48 that we already sold. We do a simple subtraction. So we do 500 minus 48. This is how many we get left. The price is the same. The price is 178. Okay, and the total that we have is units times price. Hold on, I have a phone call. Okay, sorry for interruption. We will continue. After the 5th of July, when we sold the 48 units from the first stock, we subtracted 500 minus 48, and then we have 452 from the stock that had the price 178. Okay, so this stock, we haven't sold anything yet. So what we do is we copy and paste here, and here this is our new stock. So we have to use a different color not to be confused. So next time that we sell, since we have two different stocks, we have to sell from the oldest stock, which is 452. So let's see what happens next. On the 7th of July, it says here purchase 24. So purchase is always on this side, and the price for the purchase was 175. Okay, so we do the formula as usual. Multiply units times the price, and this is a different stock. Look, we have price 178, price 182, and price 175. So what we do, we just copy and paste here. Okay, if you compare the 7th of July and compare it to the 1st of July, when we first bought, the price was 178. Now the price went down a little bit. Just after a week, look, 175, $3 cheaper. So our new stock is this one. So let's change the color again. Let's paint it this color. No, that is similar to the one. Hold on. Let's choose, what about this one? It's better. Okay, let's see what happened on the 9th of July. The 9th of July. It says here that we sold 708. Now, check this out. If we add it up, these ones, we would probably have more than 708. But what we gotta do is, we need to do it little by little. For example, we need to eliminate these ones first. Okay. These ones, 452 from the price of 178, and we got this 8456. The second ones that we need to start getting rid of is the second stock, 250, okay, and 182, and 45,500. Okay, if we add this up, we are selling 702, but we need to sell 708. So there's 6 more that we have to sell. So from here we sell 6. Okay, from here we sell 6. What price? 175. So we write 175. Okay, and we multiply again 6 times 175. So if we add this up, we will get we're selling 178, just what we needed. All right, so we're fine. Now, what's our new stock? Since we got 24 and we sold 6, the new stock is 24 minus 6, and then we got 18 left. From what price? The price is 175. I'm sorry, 175. And again, we multiply times 175, and we get this. All right, this is our new stock, and we assign a different color. Let's say yellow. All right. What about here? The next day, it says the 13th of July. The 13th of July. It says sales. We sell 5. Again, we sell 5. So this is the only stock that we have. So the only price that we have is 175. Okay. Remember that you do not pay attention to this price, 222. Just you have to sell it at this price. Okay. So equals times price. All right. So we just copy. I'm sorry. Our new stock is 18 minus 5. We get 13. 175, and we just multiply again 13 times 175. This is our new stock. So let's assign a different color that is not yellow. What about this one? Fine. Let's see what happened. Return purchase from document 003. If we check document 003, we purchase 24 here, and we pay a price 175. Luckily, it's the same price. So when it says return purchase, that means that we bought 24, and now we're returning. When it says return purchase, okay, we put it on the opposite column, not on the purchase column, but on the opposite, because if we are returning something that we bought, that means that is leaving from our stock. So it says return purchase 1, okay, 175 is the same, 175, and here the new stock is 13 minus 1 is 12, 175, and we multiply again. 12 times 120, 12 times 175, okay, and we got $2,100. Okay, the 15th of July, it says return, oh, we already did 13. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the 15th of July. All right. That was the day. Sorry. Here it says purchase. 16th of July. 16th of July, it says purchase 22. The price is 178. Again, the formula. All right. And this is our new stock. By the way, I forgot to color this. Let's make it green. I said, no, I'm sorry. Let's make it green. Here. So this is part of our new stock. Copy and paste here. And we have these two different prices. So let's make it blue. And finally, the 19th of July. The 19th of July says return sales from document 1245. Document 1245, 1245, 1245, right here. We sold 5, okay? And they're returning, or they're coming into our stock again. Okay, 1245, the 13th of July, the price was 175. So here, since they are coming to our stock, since 2 are coming to our stock, we put it in the input section. The price was 175, so we multiply, okay, this times this, and this is our new stock, 175, but we already have 175 here, so 12 plus 2 is 14 of 175, and then we do this, 14 times 175 plus the 22 that we have here, 22, 178, 3,916. So our final or our ending inventory for this period is this. All right. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry again about the interruption. The next step to verify that everything is fine, what we do is we add this column, okay, all the values in this column, which is $136,600, okay. This is called cost of goods sold. This is called cost of goods sold, okay. The second column that we have to add is the total of purchase, and this is called net purchase. In this case, it's $53,966, okay. This is net purchase. And the beginning inventory is just this, how much money we had when we started, which is $89,000. Okay, and the ending inventory right here, the ending inventory is the addition of these two values. Okay, the addition of 2,450 plus 3,916. So what we do is this: cost of goods sold equals beginning inventory plus net purchase minus ending inventory. Cost of goods sold is this. If you add this plus this and subtract minus ending inventory, you should get cost of goods sold. If you get the same here and here, the exercise is well done. Thank you very much. I'm here to answer any questions that you have. See you.